That might be a good place for me just to jump in, because there's something that I saw on your company's website, and I think it's really what you're saying. It said, "Dream it, build it, grow it," and that's a culture, right? So when you're talking right now about a holistic approach, I mean, I feel like it's like a feeling.
It's exactly a feeling, and it's why we think of ourselves as growth stock managers. And that's it. Growth stocks. Growth it's a label. It's semantic. But the fact is that we are always looking forward, and we're always investing, not for today but for tomorrow.
Right.
And from our point of view, any investment plan, even the most conservative investment plan, should always be thinking forward. And interestingly enough, as we get older, and I have some experience with this, as we get older, we start to think of what we've accumulated as belonging to the next generation. So on the one hand, we've gotten older, and by conventional definition, we should have gotten more conservative. On the other hand, if we start to think that this is legacy, that this really belongs to the next generation, it forces us to continue to think forward.